Healthy recipe: quinoa salad with avocado, cherry tomatoes, and corn. You can see the ingredients in the description. Rinse the quinoa under cold water in a fine mesh sieve to remove the bitter taste. Place the quinoa in a saucepan along with the water or vegetable broth. Bring to a boil. Then reduce the heat to low and simmer covered for 15–20 minutes, or until the quinoa is tender and the liquid has been absorbed completely. Remove from heat and let it sit covered for 5 minutes. In a large bowl, combine the cooked quinoa with the avocado, cherry tomatoes, corn, and red onion. In a small bowl, whisk together the lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Pour this vinaigrette over the quinoa salad and toss well to coat all ingredients. Taste the salad and adjust seasoning as needed. Refrigerate the salad for at least 30 minutes before serving to allow the flavors to meld. Serve the quinoa salad in individual bowls and garnish with fresh cilantro leaves if desired. Enjoy this delicious and nutritious quinoa salad with avocado, cherry tomatoes, and corn as a main dish or side. For more recipes, follow us.